what is up, you guys? I just thought I'd bring you a quick update to let you all know that I finally sorted the mic situation out on the GoPro. Turns out you can't quick capture on the Hero 5 without the mic cutting out on itself or going all crackly and distorted. So that was an easy fix. I mean, it only took me, what, 2-3 weeks, which is way longer than it should have, but I finally got it sorted, thankfully. Hopefully, can expect some more videos now. I'm not sure how often, because the weather is not the nicest. It's not rainy for once, but it's still not very nice. It's quite strong winds yesterday. There's a bit of wind, but not too much, thank God. I need to get another bar end. I missed my right one. I tightened it and it snapped, which isn't very good. I could always put the stock mirrors back on, but I can't be arsed. So, I don't like stock mirrors. I'm more of a fan of the bar ends or small aftermarket mirrors. Aggressive downshifting. Oh, I was already indicating. Oh, my mum's ringing me. Ugh, I forgot the fucking ratchet straps. Kill me now, guys. Head back to where we're going. Alright, I'll definitely have to get fuel from Barton on the way back. Alright, I'll catch in with you guys in a bit once I get back on the road. Peace. Alright, we got them. Back on the road again. It went a little bit grey on the way back over, so hopefully the weather's not too bad. I don't fancy getting wet, to be honest. The peg turn as well. And then I might also check my air pressure in the tyres, because they seem a tad low, at least the rear does anyway. This hill doesn't look steep, but it is horrible, especially this bit. Success. Almost left my indicator running for half of the road. And back we go again. I'm hoping the mic is set up so you guys can hear me alright. It should be. I'll double check. If the video doesn't turn out how I want it to, then I'll delete the footage, but it should be okay. Well, I'm gonna cover some distance and I'll check back in with you guys if anything interesting happens. Oh, it's so smooth. I absolutely love it. Is that a limo? Oh, that's sick. Don't like 30 zones on cat bikes. I mean, it's smooth enough to ride, but I just want to go. Alright, I need to stop at Shell. It's just on the left here, because if not, I'm not going to make it to Ely. Plonk. Nice. Petrol and air done. Off to Ely. What is the point in them skirts? Oh dear. Oh, Yamaha Phaser. They're nice bikes. Oh, the traffic's so bad. It's not even late. I don't know if my bike's clock's right, but it's 5:07 reading. I think it's a little bit later than that. Well, not far off that time. God, I can't wait to get my A2 license sorted. I'm so excited for it. Bigger bike, more adventures, longer rides. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love going on long rides on this bike, but when you go into dual carriageways or any open sort of roads, the wind just takes over. Naked bikes are fun and all, but when they've got such a small screen like the Duke has, it just isn't worth going on long, windy rides. It was horrible yesterday when I was coming back. I don't think I went over 40 miles an hour, to be honest. It was like this the whole way, but worse, because you could feel the wind on you. But I don't know, it's still fun to do.